we go. What's up, YouTube? What's up to my fellow fishing fanatics? I'm about to go fish and I'm gonna eat one of these right before I go. They're one of my favorite candies. Anyways, I'm gonna be fishing for trout today. This is one of my favorite fishing spots. I've had trouble not catching a fish here before, so when we get over there, sorry for like the crazy eyes that I have. I'm just trying to pay attention. Here in Utah, we don't have the best drivers, so I mean, me included with that, obviously, because I'm filming right now. So, but I will talk to you guys in a second. I don't want to be any more of a risk than any of these other drivers. That the guy's literally texting with his phone, like right on the console, like right down to the side, like he's diverting his attention all the way down to the side just to send a text message. Anyways, I'll talk to you guys in a second, and we're gonna catch some big browns, maybe a big rainbow, hopefully big ones. I hope they're not too small, but these guys are pretty aggressive, so we'll see what we pull out of there. I know that there's little yellow perch that swim around in these waters sometimes, but they like the calmer water, not where I'm going. So, but I will talk to you guys in a second. I need to pay attention to the road. So, some prime water. Do you think there's a fish in there? I don't know. I think it's too shallow. Let's find out. Oh, I think it's too shallow. If this doesn't work, I know of a place that's quite a bit downstream, but I wish I could find this spot. I feel like I lost my bearings. They even put a sign up over here for people. Seriously, no trespassing. Yeah, violators will be prosecuted, so let's go this way. Oh my gosh, that is juicy. You can tell somebody's been fishing over here. Get a good hit the tree. This is the thing that I hate about creek fishing. I can promise you there's a juicy fat trout in there somewhere. So I just need to get around this garbage. Look at all of this prime water right here. I bet you there's a fish right over there in that hole. Chilling. Caught huge fish right here several times. I know that they're in there, so if I have to dangle a pink worm in front of their nose, I will. They also like these big rapalas. This will get the marlins. So I'm gonna go up here. I can easily walk around. Ow! Never mind, maybe not so easily. I have my backpack on, I forgot. I have spiders and bugs all over me. Oh my gosh. This right here is the honey hole, my babies. You can tell because people chill over here, but this is the honey hole. I bet you if I throw a pink worm out there right off this ledge, I'll catch it. Keep getting leaves. I think I'm gonna... Oh my gosh, do you see that? Do you see that? Holy cow. I'm not sure if that's a carp or if that's I think that's a carp. There's no way that's a trout. If that was a trout, you would have ate it. I think it was a carp. Like I said, this hole is deep. It may not look deep, but it is deep. If I catch a carp, I'm not going to be upset. I'll tell you that much. I think I'm going to swap up baits. I want something that the trout are going to get. Me and a buddy of mine at the time have caught multiple trout out of here. Is that one right there? I think that's one chilling right there. Let that drift down just a little bit. This is weird. It might just be the bait that I'm using because I've never used this jerk bait here before. Oh my gosh. Holy cow. My blood is a boiling, boys. I'm not sure if you guys saw that flash, but... Oh. There he is. There he is. Told you guys. Woo! Sorry, Mr. Dude. So, thing with browns or trout of any kind, you don't want them to really touch the land like that. But damn! Look at that. Told you. I told you. Oh no. Well, I hope I can get this out. I hope he doesn't try and flop too much. Oh my gosh, look at that. Look at that. I saw him flash. He flashed right out there. Right here. I threw it right there and I saw him flash. Holy cow. Pardon my language. I'm not sure how I'm gonna get this out. Honestly. Might have to run back to my car because I didn't bring my pliers, so I'm kind of screwed. Nah, I think I can get it out. We'll catch a little bit of his teeth. Risky business here, but I'll have to give him a good revive after this because he's been out of the water for a good minute. These fish are very, 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 very delicate fish. He's gonna start freaking out here in a second if I don't get him in the water. Dude, you just gutted that. Okay, got it out. Got it out. Got it out. Oh, man. Look at that. There he goes. Woo! That was a good one. That was a nice little chunker. Woo! See if we can't get another one of those. Like I've said, I've had trouble not catching fish out of these waters before. So, we'll see if I can't get another one. I don't have very much time to be fishing, so we're just gonna, oh my gosh, just gonna send it. That was a good one. That was a good one. That one was good. That was a chunker. That was good. That was good. And that was on this bait right here. I'm not sure if they actually saw that. Oh, there you go. Nice and focusing. It's a 3-inch brown trout Rapala. Let's see if I can't get another one of those guys. They kind of, I guess they like that jerking motion. I mean, trespass at your own risk, I guess. Just give her a little gander. You guys see that there? No trespassing. So I think I might hit this spot on the way back really quick. I kind of, like I said, don't have a lot of time. Yeah, I might not have enough time, but hey, I caught one fish today, so It's all that matters to me. I would have liked to pull out a lot more than just the one, but what can you do? You can only fish so much on stuff like that. One of these days, I'll bring some waders and we'll go walk this creek. I'll do a creek walk video because this creek is amazing for trouts. So I'm basically gonna be quiet right now because there are people sleeping still. So just kind of walk pretty quickly. Off of the main property line. Almost back to the car. Let's hope nobody stops me. Gosh dang, there's so much. This creek, I'm telling you guys, like, it is ridiculous how nice this whole creek is. Filled with fish, packed. I don't know why I didn't get any more bites than I did, probably because there's that big trout in there eating those smaller fish. I'm sure that he's bit on a few of those today. And he's just in there cramming himself full with all of the little fish that are in there, all of the little baby trout, which is kind of a good thing, kind of a bad thing. You want them to grow at the same pace, so then you have a ton of those little guys in there. So then they can all grow up to be the same size. Just have to pause it every single time I need to flip the camera around, which is kind of crap. I guess I could just kind of guess where it's at, but I don't want to do that. So you guys saw that trout. He was a pretty decent size. I like fishing like that in the more aggressive waters. If I have time today, I'll probably go up to the Provo, hit the Provo a little bit. If you guys have fished there, that's a great fishing spot. Anywhere really on the Provo River is a great fishing spot. So, oh, that lady just totally looked at me so weird. Anyways, I'm on my way home. If I do stop at this fishing spot, you guys will see it in the video before this portion of the video. So I guess this place is under 24-hour surveillance, but yeah. Anyways, this is gonna be my first video of the summer. First video on YouTube. So look forward to more videos. I'm not sure how often I'm gonna post to begin with. So just keep your notifications on, subscribe, like. If you see something that you guys don't like, point it out, please. I love constructive criticism. That is one of my favorite things. Please just be nice to me though. Don't hurt my feelings. Yeah, anyways, hope you guys enjoy the video. I'm gonna be editing it as soon as I get home, so yeah. I don't know what to say at this portion of the video. I need to find some outro, some fancy thing to say for you guys. Anyways, see you guys later in another video.